Joining me is Professor Ajay Sood, the Principal Scientific Advisor to Government of India. Sir, this is International Radiobiology Conference. It's the first time this is happening in the country. People across the globe coming here. What is your take and how you believe that this is expected to be a game changer, not just for the country, but we can have a major outlook for the world also?
See, this is a very important conference as more and more human explorations are on their way. And there is a very important effect of radiation on astronauts. This needs to be studied. And there are, of course, spin-offs of this study for the cancer therapy. So this conference brings together all the experts from abroad and within India on one platform. And this will be a very important pathway for us to know what we should be doing as we go in our space program. And as you know, the private sector participation has also increased in space sector, which means more and more human exploration will happen. And Government of India's support for space sector is phenomenal. And I'm sure conferences like this, which are at the cutting edge of the advanced research, will go a long way.
So this is, you mentioned it's a cutting edge. This is actually a very niche sort of a work. And as India is moving towards the space exploration space, and we see a lot of startups also coming. Do you believe that those startups and the big who's who of international space agencies can come together and come up with something path finding of a change maker?
Absolutely. See, as you know that now India has more than 300 startups in the space sector. And all these startups are deep tech startups. Now, what we need to bring, because this whole area is interdisciplinary. So, the startups in different areas, be it in materials, be it in biology, be it in technology of different types, sensors and so on, all are needed in this. And my own sense is that this is a very, very emerging area where India should know what we have to do in coming years.
Much appreciated your time. So that was Professor Ajay Sood, the Principal Scientific Advisor of the Government of India, stating that these kind of conferences will go a long way in taking India forward in the space sector. With our personal views, this is Prasar Bharati for TD India from Delhi.